Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to create a Subway account online. Open the website at subway.com. Then click on the profile icon. On this page, you will see an option for sign up. Click on the option that says, "Don't have an account? Sign up." Now, enter your first name, last name, email address, and the password you wish to use. After entering, select the country you're residing and enter your phone number. Also, if you wish to receive emails from Subway regarding bonus rewards and more, click on the tick box beside it. After entering all the required information, click on Sign Up. And now your account has been created. That's how you create a Subway account online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.